So welcome back friends. The biggest problem that the traders face is losing money. In fact, whatever I have seen that 80 to 90% of the traders who comes to the stock market with a dream to earn money, they actually starts losing money and their capital actually erodes very fast. So that is the biggest problem in the trading world, that these 80% or 90% people who actually lose money, they comes to the market hoping that they will actually earn money from the market, they will make their fortune from the market, and then they starts losing money. So I have thought that I'll record a video on this particular topic. Actually, you can stop losing money in day trading or in positional trading just by changing some mistakes that you are making. You can make some small changes in your lifestyle and you can stop losing money in the stock market, in day trading or in swing trading. And in the stock market, before you think that you will make money, the first thing that you need to think that you need to stop losing money. First, you need to protect your capital, then only think of making money in the stock market. So my dear friends, as I have told you, this video is on stop losing money from the stock market. I cannot guarantee that after watching this video we will start earning a huge amount of money. But if you follow these rules that I'll tell you, at least you will stop losing money that you are currently making. And my dear friends, I want to tell you that there is a comment box below this video. I know that every one of you have done n number of mistakes in the stock market. Can you send me a comment with the biggest mistake that you have made in the stock market? I'll try to analyze it and I'll try to comment you back. So let me show you how you can also implement few changes in your lifestyle and in your trading habits, in your investment habits, so that you can stop losing money in this year 2020 and in this turmoil whenever we are all locked down in our own houses in between these COVID-19 attacks. So let me show you how you can stop losing money in the stock market. But before that, let me give you a short intro of mine. Hello friends, I am Indrajit from stockmaniacs.net. If you want to grow your wealth from the stock and commodity markets, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell notification icon. You can also send me your stock market related queries through WhatsApp in my number +91 96743 21856. So my dear friends, the first point that we need to understand, that we are all having ego. It is we all thinks that I have come to the market, I cannot lose money. So that is the biggest problem. You need to stop your ego, you need to be apart from your ego, because this ego can actually destroy everything in your life. You are just a simple human being, my dear friends. So if you have an ego, if you think that you have bought a stock, so it cannot go down, ultimately you are actually destroying your trading career. So you need to stop this ego. You are no one. The market is a vast thing. You are just a small player in the market. So you need to understand that do not do this kind of ego. Do not be an egoist. Do not be an egotist. You are no one. I am Indrajit Mukherjee. I am no one. The market is the ultimate boss. The market will teach us what to do and what not to do. If the market is moving up, I am Indrajit Mukherjee. I thought that I'll short the market because I have an ego. Do you think that I'll become successful? If the trend is up, I need to buy the market. If the trend is down, I need to short the market. There is no place of ego in the stock market, my dear friends. You need to go as per the market. So my dear friends, there is no point in taking any kind of panga with the market. You cannot take a panga with the market. So do whatever the market tells you to do. If the market is moving up, buy the market. If the market is moving down, short sell the market. You are no one, you are nobody, you are just a small player in this big market. So do whatever the market wants you to do. Now, my dear friends, the tweak number 2 that can change your trading life, that can change your trading career, and that can stop losing money in the stock market is that you need to become a good trader. But before you become a good trader, you need to become a good human being. So you need to become a polite human being. You need to have an habit of actually helping others. If you do not become a good human being, you cannot become a good worker. You cannot become a good team man. You cannot become a good investor, or you cannot become a good trader. Because this trading is actually also a team game. Whatever the other traders are doing, you actually follow the trend. You need to follow the trend that the big players are doing. So you need to become a team member of them. So if you think that you can change the whole game, actually you are trying to control the market. You cannot control the market. Rather, you try to control yourself. So, my dear friends, try to become a good human being. I'll show you some examples. Your language actually speaks a lot. Do not take it otherwise. I have seen that many person comes to my channel and they makes comment. So what kind of comments they starts making? Directly they starts with a slang. I have seen many person directly coming to my channel and under a video they starts commenting, "Abe chutiya, mera time waste mat kar." So my dear friends, if you think I am a chutiya and I am making a video for you, do you think you are a good human being? If you can tell this kind of languages to someone you even do not know, are you a good human being? So first and foremost things, my dear friends, before you start making a career in the stock market, before you think that you will become a good trader, try to become a good human being. Try to help others. Because these content makers like others, we are trying to help the people. So we are not chutiya, my dear friends. We are your friends. So become polite to us, become polite to other human beings as well. That is the rule number 2. And the rule number 3, my dear friends, you need to become rule based. So the stock market is just a game of rules. You cannot do anything that is not inside any kind of rule. You need to be disciplined. You need to follow certain rules. So you need to be rule based. It is not like that. Today you have seen that SBI is moving up. So actually you have bought SBI. You need to buy SBI only if certain rules are actually being made in SBI. So you need to be rule based. I have made n number of videos in this market. I have made n number of videos you will find in my channel where I have shown you many rules. And I have seen people are commenting, why are you making so many videos? Why are you showing so many strategies? There are only one answer. Because not all the strategies are for everyone. Every human being are different. So some strategy may be helpful for someone and that strategy may not be suitable for someone else. I am having some money. Some other person may be having more money than me. So if I can short 2 lots of Nifty future, he can short 10 lots of Nifty future. If I can short 20 lots of Nifty future or Bank Nifty future, he can short 100 lots. So my and his risk taking capability is different. So our rules will also be different. So you need to become rule based. You need to enter whenever certain rules will be met and you need to exit whenever certain rules will be met. So that is the rule number 3 that you need to follow. That you need to be rule based. And my dear friends, the rule number 4 is that You need to follow certain stop loss. You are not a superman. You have bought the market, so the market will move up. There is no chance of thinking these kind of things. You are not a superman. You are just a normal guy. So you need to trade with stop loss. And there is no holy grails. So do not run after holy grails. So the rule number 4 is you need to put a stop loss and there is no holy grails. I have shown many strategies to you. After I show one strategy or another strategy, many guys come and they start finding faults. They start finding when the strategy was unsuccessful and they points out. Do you find that this is a holy grail? This is not a holy grail, my dear friends. No strategy is holy grail. The holy grail is that you need to follow a certain strategy, and if you follow those strategies with your own set of rules, those strategies will become holy grail. Holy grail does not mean that it will give you profits in every trades, but it will give you profits in longer run. It will give you profits on every week. It will give you profits on every month, or it will give you profits on every year. There can be some losing days, there can be some losing months, and there can be some losing years too. Still, in the long run, you will be able to make money if you know that there is no holy grail. You need to follow certain stop loss, and those stop losses will actually save you from being bankrupt. So this is the rule number 4, my dear friends. And finally, the rule number 5, that is of utmost importance, is that you need to become positive, my dear friends. You become positive, you think positive, you do positive things, and ultimately your trading, ultimately your career, ultimately your work will actually take off. And if you become negative, you start doing negative things, you start thinking negative things, ultimately your trading career, your working career will actually become ruined. So my dear friends, you need to do positive thinking, and you need to do this positive thinking with positive efforts. If you do just positive thinking without any efforts and you search for those holy grails, ultimately there is no chance of making money in the stock market. You need to become a positive thinker, you need to do positive things, you need to buy good books, you need to read good books, you need to read good websites, you need to search for good trading tools. Then only after positive thinking you can stop losing money, you can make some money. So my dear friends, if you follow these 5 rules that I have told you, at least, I don't know whether you will be able to make money or not, at least you will not lose money. So there are a comment box below this video. I'll ask you to make comments below this video and send me the biggest mistake that you have made in the stock market. I'll try to analyze it and I'll try to send you my observations in written comments. So friends, I have completed today's webinar. If you like today's video, please do not forget to hit the like button. Please also do not forget to share it with your friends, because if you share it, someone else can also be benefited. If you have any queries, just ask me in the comments. I'll try to answer you as early as possible. Friends, thanks a lot for watching this webinar till the end. Bye bye.